Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's how to prepare perfect nachos with PHYLLO pastry. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of tomato paste with 150 ml of water, 150 ml of vegetable oil, juice of a small grated onion, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 chopped garlic clove, and half a teaspoon of dried mint, cumin, dried thyme, red pepper flakes, and salt. Place the PHYLLO pastry on the kitchen counter and coat half of it with the dressing. Fold the non-dressed part of the PHYLLO pastry over the dressed part and coat the new surface with the dressing as well. Finally, flip the PHYLLO and coat the last surface. Cut the PHYLLO into squares and then cut again diagonally to form triangles. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Then place the triangles on the tray. Bake for 6 or 7 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees and then continue baking at 120 degrees until triangles are all crispy. Crunchy PHYLLO pastry nachos are ready to serve. Serve with a dipping sauce. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!